Good morning my dear students and welcome back to the part 2 of the video. In this we will be talking about some commercial and trading towns. First I am going to start with Hampi. Okay, so Hampi was situated on the river Tungbhadra, which is in Karnataka. Okay, and it was the capital of the mighty Vijayanagar Empire. And also it was chosen as the capital because of its strategic location. Clear? Okay, now Hampi was an important center of cotton and spice trade. In the 15th and the 16th centuries, European merchants used to buy these goods from the rich markets of Hampi. At that time, Hampi also traded with Persia, China, Burma, which is at present known as Myanmar, and numerous islands in the Indian Ocean. Clear? Okay, now coming to Masulipattnam. See, Masulipattnam is situated on the river Masulipattnam is situated on the river Krishna, and it was founded in the 14th century. Essentially a port town, it was also called Machlipattnam. Why? Because the gateways to the town was decorated with the eyes of a fish. And what is a fish known as in Hindi? It is called machli. Clear? Okay, therefore it was named as Machlipattnam. Now next, Masulipattnam was and even today it is famous for its kalamkari work. The word kalam means pen and kari means work. Okay, now it refers to a method of painting vegetable and natural dyes on silk and cotton fabrics with a bamboo pen. Clear? Okay, now coming to Surat. Surat is in Gujarat and it is situated on the river Tapti. It was a commercial town. During the reign of Mughals, Surat became a very important commercial city, famous for all types of textiles, especially cotton textile. And fine cotton textiles with zari borders were produced by craftsmen. Clear? Okay, now I'm going to read out the small heading of traders and craftsmen. There were both small and big traders at that time. The small traders had a very limited area and the big traders had big ones owned a large fleets of ships and traded in many goods. Clear? Okay, now traders generally traveled in caravan. They also formed guilds. The Banjaras were a trading group. They traveled from one place to another and they used to buy the goods from one place and sell it to another place. Clear? Okay, now I am summing up the entire chapter for you. First, we come to know that the medieval period was an era of stability and there were kingdoms like the Cholas, the Mughals and the Delhi Sultanate that provided a stable government. Okay, now we studied about different towns. For example, capital towns, which includes examples like Delhi, Agra, Lahore, Fatehpur Sikri, and all the administration work were carried out from these capital towns. Then we talked about temple towns, which included towns like Tanjore, Tirupati, Somnath, and Kanchipuram. Then we talked about pilgrimage centers slowly turned into pilgrimage towns like Varanasi, Allahabad, etc. Then there were craft towns. Now what the craftsmen used to provide luxury goods, and then these centers were converted to the towns which are known as craft towns. For example, Bidar, Hyderabad or Murshidabad. Clear? And then we talked about the commercial and the trading towns like Surat, Masulipattnam and Hampi. Okay, so please read the chapter and take care everyone and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.